Before looking at school memories, an important distinction needs to be made. A full-sized cricket bat is a substantial piece of sporting equipment. It was designed to strike a cricket ball, not a person, and using one to administer corporal punishment could obviously cause serious injury. For that reason, recollections involving cricket bats need to be treated with some caution. What a former pupil remembers simply as a cricket bat may not necessarily have been the full-sized article familiar from the cricket field. Indeed, several accounts specifically describe much smaller bats. Miniature cricket bats have long been sold as souvenirs and for collecting players' autographs. They may be only 12 to 18 inches long, although larger children's versions also exist. To the casual observer, such an object would still unmistakably look like a cricket bat, but its weight and dimensions would be considerably less than those of the real thing. One contributor remembered once experimenting with a miniature autograph bat as an improvised paddle. Another recalled owning something similar and pointed out that such souvenir bats could be purchased quite innocently at cricket grounds, often bearing the signatures of a favourite team. This may help explain some school recollections. A former pupil might remember being punished with a cricket bat, when in reality the teacher was using a child's bat, miniature souvenir bat, or even a homemade wooden paddle shaped to resemble one. There are, however, accounts from overseas of much more alarming practices. Research into corporal punishment in South Korean schools, for example, has uncovered recollections of teachers using objects including baseball bats, pool cues, and even golf clubs. Such implements were never designed for disciplinary use and carried an obvious risk of injury. Britain had its own assortment of traditional school punishment implements. Depending upon the school and region, these could include the cane, slipper, leather strap, or, particularly in Scotland, the tawse. The cricket bat was never a recognised standard in the same way. Nevertheless, memories occasionally surface, suggesting that individual teachers adopted their own unusual methods. One recollection from Glasgow concerns a female PE teacher named Mrs. Gordon at Lochend in 1986. A former pupil claimed that instead of using the belt, she sometimes employed a cricket bat. According to the recollection, the bat even had nicknames. The flat part was supposedly known as Big Bertha, while the handle was called Wee Bessie. Whether every detail has survived accurately after so many years is impossible to establish. But it is far from the only recollection of its kind. From boarding schools to gymnasiums, the miniature cricket bat seems to make occasional appearances in memories of British school discipline.